Now let's see how to install WordPress on XAMPP. For that, what you have to do exactly, we don't install WordPress on our machine. We simply just copy the folder of WordPress in the htdocs folder of XAMPP. So where you will find that folder? In the path of XAMPP, where you install XAMPP in your machine, you will find a folder that is htdocs. Here you have to make a folder name for WordPress. Like in this case, I have make a folder named test site. Then for accessing this folder, if you want to access this folder, you have to write http localhost then 8080 and the name of this site, that is test site. Then here is the htdocs folder. In this I make a folder named test site and I've just pasted the WordPress files. So here it is. So the rest activities, let me show you practically. So here is the WordPress. I have already downloaded it on my machine. Just simply open this folder, just copy this folder, copy the content of this folders, then simply go to C drive. Here you will find XAMPP, you will find htdocs folder. Just make a new folder, name test site, and simply paste the WordPress contents. Okay, so now we already have XAMPP is running. Here is the XAMPP. So now for using the WordPress, I have to make a database, and for that I have to go to PHP MyAdmin. For that I'll just simply click, here's my XAMPP, just click on this admin part. It will open the PHP MyAdmin. But see, in this case it is giving an error, that is HTTP error 404. Why? Just because we have changed the port number. So you have to write 8080 here, then it will open PHP MyAdmin. Then go here, click on the databases, name the database, like I'm writing test site, just click on create. So it will create a folder. See, let me show you the presentation also side by side. So here is the link of databases. I'll just click on it, name the database, that is this site, simply click create. Now on the browser I have to write localhost, name of the folder. Here the folder name is test site. Just simply press enter. See, now the window comes here. So it is the window of WordPress installation. Let me show you. In the presentation I have also included this window, so it will showing this. After this it will ask about the database name, username and the password. So let's go to the browser, simply click English, continue. It will ask for these things. Let's go. Just database name is test site, username is root, type root here, password is blank, and click submit. So now what it is saying, run the installation. Just click on it, it will install WordPress on your machine. Okay, so now after the installation it is asking for another information. So now to complete the process of WordPress, you have to give this details, like write the name of site, that is I'm writing my first site, username any, like I'm writing admin, again password you can choose with your choice, confirm password, email address any, and just click on install WordPress. So it will take some time. So it's just a warning regarding your password. Just click on OK. Now it is asking me about the login. Just I'm giving the admin password and admin username. Just click on login. Now it will take me to the dashboard of WordPress. Again, it is giving a warning of like your password is weak, like Chrome found the password you just used in a data breach. We recommend to change the password. So it's just a warning. So by this way you can see the dashboard of WordPress. Thank you.